a substantive response to the petition, we'll be seeking guidance from the chair. We are raising a few points of what we find law notice of preliminary objection. Certain objections on the motion, that is on the legality of the motion, and we'll be seeking guidance from the chair. The first one, of course, is founded on standing order number 65. That is of the standing order number 65, 1A of Nyamira County government. That is on the issue of right to be heard. That is Nyamira County Assembly standing orders 65. Honorable Speaker, even though the substantive procedure is governed by standing order number 62, there is standing order number 65, which provides the general guidance on all matters for impeachment, be it impeaching a CSC, a governor, or a member of the County Public Service Board, or any other person. So that standing order talks about the right to be heard, which we agree we have already been given that opportunity, and that's why we're making these submissions. However, Honorable Speaker, I'll take you to standing order number 1A, which talks that, which reads that, which requires the County Assembly to consider the petition or approval for the removal of a person from office. The person shall be entitled to appear before the relevant committee of the County Assembly considering the matter. That is a requirement, a legal requirement and standing orders. So here we are on the plenary, but we have not been accorded an opportunity to appear before the relevant committee. So basically, these proceedings ought first of all to originate from the, even if the motion is tabled in the Assembly, there ought to be a committee of the Assembly to consider. And if you go further, you will see that the Assembly to hear a person on the ground for removal, then on the date and the time to be determined. There's also the issue that, number 2, the person being removed from office shall be availed a copy of the report of the select committee. So once the committee has sat down and dispensed with its business, then the person being removed ought to be accorded a copy of the report of the committee, which we have not been afforded to. So we'll seek guidance from the chair whether this standing order has been waived or is inapplicable, so that we can get guidance as we proceed. Secondly, on the other issue I want to raise is the issue on standing order number 87. Standing order number 87 of the Nyamira County Standing Orders talks about issues of sub judice, matters which are sub judice. And it says, no member shall refer any particular matter which is sub judice or which the operation of the law is secret. So sub judice, so no member shall refer in the House, whether in the plenary or in the committee of the House, a matter which is sub judice. Of course, the same standing order gives the standards of what constitutes sub judice. It says, a matter shall be considered to be sub judice when it refers to active criminal or civil proceedings. The discussions of such matter is likely to prejudice fair determination of that matter. Honorable Speaker, if you look at the notice of motion, which is before the House, I'll refer you to grounds